DDGS is a byproduct of ethanol industry. India has kept an ambitious target of 20% ethanol blending in petrol by year 2025. The current level of ethanol blending in petrol is around 10%. All this factor indicates that the availability of DDGS for animal feed industry is going to increase. To talk on the role and application of DDGS in animal feed, we have Dr. Sairam Kumar, a young nutritionist. Welcome to TET Connect, Dr. Sai.
Thanks, Rahul. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be part of TET.
So my first question to you is that what are the different kinds of DDGS available for poultry feed in India, and what nutritional specs you consider while formulating diet with those kinds of DDGS?
Rahul, in India, mostly two types of DDGS are available in the market. The mostly available DDGS is rice DDGS, as majority of the corn is consumed for the animal feed industry. The exact nutritional specifications of DDGS can be determined by approximate analysis. I'll try to give you some safer values which I consider for formulating with the DDGS. So I consider approximately 27 to 30% of crude protein for corn DDGS and 42 to 45% for the rice DDGS. The approximate crude fiber in corn DDGS, it can be considered around 6 to 10%, and for rice DDGS it is around 5 to 8%. Finally, the metabolizable energy level, it can be considered at 2500 kilocalories for corn DDGS and 3000 kilocalories for rice DDGS. Once again, I reiterate that approximate analysis can give us exact nutritional specification of any particular DDGS sample.
Thank you, doctor. I guess you have given a clear explanation on different types and nutritional specs of different DDGS. Now, next question is, what are the major challenges a feed manufacturer faces after using DDGS in their feed formulation?
So, the common challenges with DDGS are moisture variation and mycotoxins. Many times, these feed millers receive DDGS with 16 to 17% moisture. At such high moisture level, feed is likely to develop molds which might increase the aflatoxin challenges. So, hence the DDGS with 10 to 12% moisture content would be ideal for the poultry feed production. So also one should note that there are chances that substandard quality grains might be used in ethanol production, which increase the risk of the mycotoxins. So digestibility of protein is poor in DDGS, it will be around 60 to 63%, and variation of amino acid content is also commonly observed in the DDGS.
Thank you, doctor. You have nicely told or explained about the challenges. Now, what is the impact of these challenges on bird performance?
If you ask me about challenges, it's completely depend on the inclusion level of the DDGS. At high inclusion level, there is a challenge in production performances. If you observe the challenges in broiler, it will be like a high feed conversion ratio, gut health issues, and mycotoxicity. And in layer, we might see reduced feed intake and reduced egg production because of mycotoxicity and inferior egg quality.
Now I will go to the most vital question, doctor. What should be the ideal inclusion level of DDGS in poultry feed?
So if I go by my practical experience, DDGS inclusion in broiler should be up to 3% in the pre-starter diet and 4% in starter, and we can use up to 5 to 6% in the finisher diet. So whereas in layer, we can use up to 5% in chicks and grower feed and 5 to 10% in the laying stages. So all the inclusion should be supported by lysine supplementation and balancing of all the essential amino acids. And most important thing is, using exogenous protease enzyme can help in maximizing the digestibility and nutritional potential of the DDGS.
Thank you, Dr. Sairam. I hope our viewers have more insights on using DDGS from today's session.
Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for inviting me for TET today.